Hello, 大家好. I'm Abby. Yes, it's me. I'm Abby. What we are going to learn today? Yes, we are going to learn vocabulary about fruit. So, how to say different fruit in Chinese? We are going to learn today. Yeah. We need fruit every day, right? And there are lots of fruit in our life and nearby us. And how to say it in Chinese? Yes, it is. So fruit in Chinese is 水果. 水果. Yes, 水 is water because most of the fruit there is water. Why we have to eat the fruit? Yes, because there is water. It's sweet. Or it's sour, it fits with our taste. So we like eat fruit, right? So fruit, 水果, 水果. Yes, very good. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, 3 candle fruit. You know why I make this 3 candle fruit? Yes, it is because in China, even some people they can't speak English, but they know how to say this 3 candle fruit in English. So we call this one is the most popular fruit, that the people can say in English. So I have to tell you in Chinese. Later is easy for you also in China, right? So apple is 苹果. 苹果. Yes, I remember when we have a class that is teaching about the festivals. There we come with the Christmas. I did say that in Christmas and the people take 1 apple. Yes, so that is called 苹果. Yes, 苹果. Very good. 苹果. And this is 1 apple. An apple, right? So how to say in Chinese? 一个苹果. Okay, remember, if 2, yes, 2个苹果. 3, 3个苹果. Okay? Yes. This one, banana, right? Yes, I know it's banana. Yes, it is. So how to say it in Chinese? 香蕉. 香蕉. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 3 bananas. Yes. 3根. It means 1. Yes. 3根香蕉. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3根香蕉. Very good. I speak. This one is 3根香蕉. It is Chinese, of course, but you compare. Let me speak naturally, okay? 3根香蕉. This one is naturally. I repeat this one. 3根香蕉. See the difference? Yes, there is, because I'm from Beijing. There is Yes. 3根香蕉. Okay? Naturally. 3根香蕉. 3根香蕉. Very good. Okay? So if more, 一根. Yeah, 一根 is not more, right? It's less. Yes. 一根香蕉. 5根香蕉. Yes. Remember, this one is the unit of香蕉, right? This one, orange. We did say about when we learn colors, right? There is one orange. Yes, we say 橙色 or 橘色, right? That is 橙色 or 橘色. I did say that in English they have the same name with the fruit in Chinese as well. This one is 橘色, orange is in color. That is say orange is 橘色, right? So in Chinese, we also 橘子. Yes, 橘子. Wow, so nice. 橘子, right? So you see, there is a few less outside. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's a 1, big 1, right? a whole one. The whole one is 一个. The three pieces is 三瓣. 三瓣. Yes, 三瓣橘子. Yes, 一个橘子, 三瓣橘子. Yes, if you say 一个, they know that it's whole one. But if you say 一半橘子, 一半橘子 is a piece, right? Let me speak the 半 fluently, okay? 一半. See, 半. My tongue is go up. 半. Yes, 一半橘子. 一二三，三瓣橘子 ，OK， 三瓣橘子 ，very good. Remember, this one is a little bit difficult, but if you speak and practice every day, and won't be difficult, okay? Yes. Wow, so many water, so colorful, right? This is another reasons why the people like fruit, because so colorful and look very fresh, right? Yes. This one, watermelon. Yes, I know. 西瓜. Yes. 一个西瓜. Yes. 一个西瓜. Yes, very good. This one, peach. 桃子. 一个桃子. 一个桃子. Yes, very good. Wow. What is this? 梨. Yes, 梨 pear, right? 梨. 一个梨. Yes, but here I have to mention one thing. In China, the people mind it very much. You see, there is a half, right? There is a half. But some people, like, they can't eat a lot and they can't eat the whole one. They will always want to share. But this is only option that you can't share the pear. Why? Do you know why? I will tell you why. Look at the pronunciation. 梨. The pronunciation is the same with the split. With the split. It's the same with the split pronunciation. The split in Chinese say 分梨. Yes, this is 梨. And you cut a half. You cut a half the pear. They also in word also say 分梨. So they have the same pronunciation. You say, if you ask, okay, I cut a half pear for you, or you share a half with me. Yes, in Chinese they will say 我和你分梨吧. You see, if we say split, we split. 我们分梨吧. Yes, that it is the same. Be careful. This one is very, very important. When you talk, especially to your boyfriend or your girlfriend, that is very, very serious. Okay, so we don't say, we don't share the pear with one person. But if you share with the three or more than two people share the pear, it's all right. Don't share with the one person only. Okay? Yes. Notice. Boom, boom, start. Remember, this one is 梨. Yes. 梨. 一个梨. Yes. 一个梨. Very good. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. This one. Strawberry. Yes. How to say in Chinese? 草莓. 草莓. Yes. 草莓. 1, 2, 3. Wow. 三个草莓. Yes. 三个草莓. Yes. Very good. Wow. This one. Pineapple, right? Pineapple. 菠萝. Yes. 菠萝. Yes. 一个, the whole one is 一个菠萝. Yes. 一个菠萝. You see, there's three pieces, right? 三片菠萝. 片 is this one. This one called 片. 三片菠萝. Yes. So let me speak fluent with this one, okay? 三片菠萝. Look, one with this one. 3片菠萝 yes, fluence. 3片菠萝 see it? Yes, very light. 3片菠萝 very good. 菠萝 yes, wow, this one. Yes, in Western, there are a lot of people like it, right? Yes, how to say it? 樱桃 yes, very nice, very beautiful color, right? Yes, and also small, right? 樱桃 yes, 2颗 this one, the unit is 颗 2颗樱桃 very good, 2颗樱桃 yes. In the past, in China, they describe the lady's mouth very beautiful and small. They will say 樱桃小口 口 is mouth, 小 is small. 樱桃小口 wow, it means that very beautiful mouth. Because why? Because in the past they like the lady's mouth small. Because if the lady's mouth big, it means talkative. They don't like the talkative ladies. And before they like the small one, so they obey their husband and they don't talk much, and that means beautiful, right? So they call 樱桃小口. Until now, the 樱桃小口 is still describe the lady's mouth beautiful. Of course, now also the people's beauty standards change. The big mouth also nice, right? But I just tell you that 樱桃 in China, sometimes they also describe the mouth. Okay, so 樱桃. Okay, remember 草莓 菠萝 樱桃 in this, and then they say 3个草莓 1个菠萝 3片菠萝 2颗樱桃 very good. So this one, yes, we can't learn all of the fruit, right? So we just learn some. It's very common one. If you want to know about learn more fruit, you can go to our fan page, and we will release more vocabularies about learning fruit. Okay, but this one, what I want to say, because I want to tell you some sentences. Okay, some relevant sentences that with the fruit when you buy or when you order or when you do something. Okay, so they will ask you, what is your favorite fruit? Or you can ask people, what is your favorite fruit? How to say it? Yes, this one is very common and we did mention many times. So you try to remember how to make this sentence and put fruit in. Okay? Yes. 你喜欢 favorite, right? 你喜欢吃 is mean eat. 你喜欢吃什么水果 Yes. 你喜欢吃什么水果 Yes. 你喜欢吃什么水果 Yes. Which fruit are you going to buy? Yes. How say? 你要买 Remember, buy? Yes. 买 Yes. 你要买什么水果 Yes. 你要买什么水果 Yes. 你喜欢吃什么水果你要买什么水果 Yes. See it? Yes. This is a very simple sentence. And also that those kind of sentence we learn many times already. So you can see the formula and you can change some word by yourself and to practice the sentence. Okay? Yes, that's all. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell under. Thank you. Bye bye.